Alright, so I wanted to just go through this adaptive component family really quickly. I'm not going to build it, but I'm going to show it and post it so you can kind of see what's going on. Basically, you have these 2 points that are adaptive that'll connect to nodes that I'll show you in a minute. And we have 2 half ovals, one on one side. So if I come in and pick it, you see half an oval, and it has a material applied to one half and then another material applied to the other half. And we also have parameters on it. If we look at this, we have the 2 materials, H1 and H2, and then we have an angle that rotates it that we're going to manipulate. And then we have the width one way and the width the other way. So long axis, short axis. Although they could flip, it doesn't really matter. And I also have created 4 types, but they're all the same parameters just so we can manipulate the angle differently, and you'll see that later. So if I hit cancel here, and let's go to our reference level, and if we go in, let me change this guy. Actually, let's do this in 3D. If I pick this guy and these, let me hide this. Basically what you have are 2 ovals that have widths on them, those parameters on them that adjust the width and the length, right? And the same thing on the top. And then they get joined with the surfaces that have the material applied to them. So that's this guy. And then what we're going to do is, if we take a look at this, it is right now it's set to a generic model, although we could change it to something else like a curtain panel or something like casework, but I'm going to leave it set to generic model for right now. Alright, so when I come back, we'll take this, insert it into another family, and place that into the project.